Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge isupport nothando nesikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisisupport njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. Njengoba namuhla kungama debate lapho ama-political parties ahlukeneyo debate i-State of the Nation address esethulwe uPresident uCyril Ramaphosa ngoLwesine oludlule. Ama-members wama-political parties siyazi ukuthi kuqale uChief Whip ubaba uMdumiseni Ntuli, kweza ubaba uVan Rooyen, kweza uJohn Steenhuisen, kweza uJulius Malema. Then ngizokufakela amavideo wakhona, kodwa iphuze engifuna ukukhuluma ngale lokuthi uma kukhona former state president usually bayam-acknowledge ubukhona bakhe ukukhona kwakhe njengoba ekhona la eParliament. Nalana-ke former president uJacob Zuma ukhona naye uyingxenye ye-debate la uzolalela okukhulunywayo. Uma oyilunga le-MK party ekhombuza uChairperson ophethe umhlangano wesikhathi ukuthi hayibo kukhona former state president, kwase kuba khona impikiswano, i-EFF yakudefenda lokho. Yingakho ngithi angikucaphunele lokho ukuthi i-EFF imdefendile upresident, futhi ayimdefendanga ngoba imthanda, kodwa yingoba bangabantu abawazisayo ama-rules. Ngicela uzwe na.
Very much, Honorable Malema.
Speaker.
The next speaker on my list is the Honorable Minister in the Presidency.
Speaker.
Order, honorable members.
Speaker, is not a point of order, it's a point of procedure. I just want to put it to the House that President Jacob Zuma is in the House together with Deputy
Honorable
President.
member, I can't see who's speaking. I didn't give you permission to do that. Can you please follow the rules of the House? What are you rising on, honorable member?
Speaker, I'm rising on a point of procedure to tell the House that President Jacob Zuma is in the House together with Deputy President Tony Yengeni. Can it be acknowledged?
No, honorable member, please. Honorable members. Honorable member, there's no provision for me to agree with what you are saying. Please, let's proceed with the House sitting of the House. Over to you, Minister.
Chair.
Madam Chairperson of the National Council of Provinces.
Chair, on a point of order.
Yes, you may.
Yeah, House Chair, I think you need to go and read the rules correctly. Regardless about how you feel of former President Zuma, we acknowledge state presidents here in the House. He hasn't been impeached. Nothing has happened. When we open this parliament,
Honorable members, I can't hear what the honorable member is saying.
Okay,
You're making noise. If you may repeat, please.
It's the sound system. I don't know who this. We had the same problem the last time. We are quite happy for the EFF to help with the sound, but let's park that for now. Honorable, you still can't hear me. Honorable Speaker, you need to go to your rules. Not Speaker, Honorable House Chair. You cannot say that there's no provisions to acknowledge a former state president. It's not true. Whether you like former President Zuma or not, whether he's part of your party, doesn't have membership, it's immaterial. He was once upon a time a state president. Do the right thing.
Honorable member.
You'll even acknowledge the clerk, the whole murderer who's roasting now in hell. But you can't acknowledge.
Honorable
no,
member,
wrong.
can you please
House
allow
Chair,
me?
please.
I've made a ruling in that regard. Can we please proceed?
Which
Honorable
rules did you
Deputy
read?
Minister,
No.
thank you.
House Chair, which rule did you read to say that? Can you refer us to a rule that says you must
Honorable
not
Madam,
acknowledge a
can
former
you
state
please
president?
respect the ruling?
Which rule? But you can't rule just out of your head on your House
Honorable
Chair.
Madam, can you
You
please?
can't just go on a whim here. This is not ANC NEC meeting. We are in Parliament. There's our rules here and there's procedures. You have acknowledged a murderer. You
Point
can't
of
lie in the
order.
House and you're not doing it. It's wrong.
Blah, blah, blah.
Honorable Minister in the Presidency, Please continue with your speech.
Ngobuza ukuthi uLay Matthews uphikisene nesinqumo sikaChairperson sokuthi no akufanelanga enze noma kanjani. Kunama rules okuyiwona abheka ukuthi iParliament liqhutshwa kanjani. Ibalekile lento. Mozokhumbula nje kancane phamba sibuyele ukuthi kugcine kwenzakaleni. Mozokhumbula ukuthi ngonyaka ophelile kwaze kwayiwe enkantolo ngoba uOmphile Moto wayebatshela ukuthi i-fiscal framework uma seqediwe kuyahlukanisa ukuthi iya-adopta noma i-adoptwa. Lawo ngama rules. Kwaze kwayiwe enkantolo. Inkantolo yafika yayichitha yathi no ayiqalwe phansi ngoba abawalandelanga ama rules. Kubalulekile ke lokho. Yabona ngeke ngakusho lokho ngaphambilini. ISouth Africa angeke ilunge ngaphandle kwe-EFF eParliament. Noma anginendaba noma uyayithanda i-EFF noma akawuyithandi i-EFF kodwa iParliament lethu ngeke lize lilunge ngaphandle kwe-EFF ngoba bavuthiwe labantu ngokwezepolitiki futhi nomthetho baya investor kakhulu. Uyabona abantu abanabantwana abafunda ema-university, abantu nje abanabantwana abafunda ema-university aboke babaxoxela ukuthi yini eyenziwa i-EFF lapha ema-university, ukuthi SRC ye-EFF yenzani ema-university. Anoma babuza abantwana babaxoxele bezokwazi ukuqonda ukuthi i-EFF ineqhaza elikhulu kanjani. Ngiyangibona ukuthi siyawafaka ama-video kuma-portfolio committee kodwa suke singakantsheli konke okwenzekalayo. Ngakho kubalulekile ukuba khona kwe-EFF eParliament. Bengithi angidlule kulokho ekugcineni uma eseqedile ukukhuluma uMinister Khumbuzo Chavini usaleke uChairperson wam-acknowledge uformer President uZuma. Ngicela ubona.
Mr. Nchaveni, honorable members, before I call upon the next speaker, I would like to take this opportunity and acknowledge the presence of the former President of the Republic of South Africa, Honorable Zuma. He's here with us today. Thank you very much, honorable members. You may take your seats. Order, honorable members.
Sibambe le video. Ngiyacela ukuze ukuphala kwakho la comment section ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani lonke lolu daba esilixoxayo. Uthi ngiyasola ukuthi ukube uHonorable Matthews uLay Matthews azange agcizelele ukuthi kufanele ngoba iprocedure ama rules asho njalo bebengeke bam-acknowledge uformer president. So ngicela ukuze ukuthi kuthini ukuphala kwakho. Ngale kwalokho mina nawe bese sidibana kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.